Welcome to my under $200 camp setup.
Okay, that's everything I've bought to go camping. I've got a few other bits in the bike that I already had at home, but that's everything I've bought to go out. Little chair in his bag here. The chair was $30. Just an eBay rip-off of a Helinox, but I've seen a few people online using the cheapies and they've lasted, but this one broke first time I took it out, so it may last, it may not. This little grill was $15 off eBay. Cook over the fire, put your meat in, close it down, easy. Little utensil tool was $4 from Kmart. And it also opens up so you can have knife, fork, spoon, whatever you need. Headlamp was $10 for batteries from Anaconda. Little gas cooker set was $59 from Anaconda. And that's what comes in the kit for $59. You got a little saucepan, your gas cooker, bigger saucepan, and that's it. Gas for the cooker, $13 from any camping shop. Backpack was $30 from Kmart. It's got 3 litre water bladder in it, so I just use that bladder to bring all my water. Tent was grand total of $14. And self-inflating mattress was $19. A few other bits already had. Saw, speaker, bed sheet for the tent, and a little esky for the beers. Alright, that's a little tent set up there with the air mattress inside, and the mattress has a little built-in pillow. Winner, winner. Check out the view for tonight. That's the setup on the bike. Just strap it on the back and off you go. And there you have it. Motorcycle camping for under $200. Get out there.